Here I have Samsung Galaxy S10e, and let me show you how to activate power saving mode on the following device. So at the very beginning, open the list of all applications, swipe twice to open it fully, and now simply click on battery icon, so it's power mode, and confirm the solution that you would like to apply. So it can be medium power saving mode. You can change the brightness here to decrease just to 5%. You can select if it should turn off always on display, and tap on apply. Give your device a few seconds and medium power saving mode will be activated. And that's it. As you can see, it has been turned on. If you would like to change it, if you would like to personalize it or choose the other power saving mode, just open the upper bar one more time and keep holding on power mode a bit longer, so for about 3 seconds. Now you are in battery menu in power mode, so you can select either optimized, so it will get the recommended balance of performance and battery life, but it will not save your battery at all. Then you have the medium power saving mode, so it will extend battery life by limiting some functions, or you can select the last maximum power saving mode. It's the very restrict option, but you will definitely save a lot of battery here. So for some extreme situation, we do recommend maximum power saving mode. So just click on this one. Now you have to confirm it, so just tap on apply. As you can see, it will decrease the brightness, it will restrict background data, and extend your battery life by applying the settings below. So just tap on apply and wait a few seconds. Also, you will have the night dim there, so the battery is not that tired, let's say. And here you can see how maximum power saving mode looks like. Only some apps are available here, so actually you can only contact someone by calling them or send a message. If you would like to turn off this mode, this maximum battery saver, just tap on more icon, which is here, and then select turn off maximum power saving mode. Give your device a while to switch off. It will turn on always on display. It will decrease and actually increase the brightness, and as you can see, it has been turned off, so you are back in the standard mode. So that's it. Now you can change it whenever you want to, whenever you need to. So once your battery is pretty low, just activate one from the presented options. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.